Hi, I'm Bart. Welcome to Tocuhscreen Motors here in Bonnyville. Today we're having a look at another quality pre-owned vehicle. This is a 2020 F-150 XLT. This unit came out of our rental department, and the great thing when it comes out of our rental department, you know it's been very well maintained, very meticulously gone through all the time because it always had to be ready to go out. So this particular unit is in stone gray. It has the XTR package, which gives you nice chrome accents on it. It's powered by a 5-liter engine, has about 101,000 kilometers on this one. It's going to be getting brand new tires. It has a wooden box liner with the crew cab with a 6.5-foot box. It works great for work or play. So now we're going to get inside and I'll show you a few of the extra features that this one has. So there's a ton of room inside this F-150. It has a few extras in it. It has the really nice Husky liners that protect the carpet in it. This one here has the FordPass, so you can download the app and start your vehicle with it. This one's also equipped with navigation as well, and it does Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. It comes with the console, so it gives you lots of room in here for storage, as well as up front here with your USB hookups. And of course it has the cruise, air, tilt, all of the good stuff. So if you'd like more information on this F-150, stop by and see us today in the west end of Bonnyville on Highway 28, or you can give us a call at 826-3278.